I think I'm gonna start right now. So basically,
What is the homework called again?
it's called whole assignment.
Okay, whole assignment.
I'll talk about that right now. So basically, this is a homework, right? And a few of y'all have not submitted the homework from a while back. So today's class is really easy. We're gonna learn about revolving. So basically, we're gonna create one plane and then revolve it around, make a 3D shape. That is really fun. And like today's class will be pretty easy and pretty short. So after class, if you have time, you can go ahead and complete all the uncompleted assignments, okay? So I'm going to watch a video with you first. Wait, Kevin's asking for the meeting password. 1 second, let me send that to him really quick. Where's the meeting password? I think I have it right here. All right, yeah, if you guys would, go ahead and go to Google Classroom and watch the video first. I want to send this link to Kevin really quick. It's a long link.
The rubber handle sleeve.
Yeah, the rubber handle sleeve video. I'm going to play it on here if you guys want.
We're going to be doing the...
Can you guys hear it? Can you hear it?
Yes, I can hear.
Rubber handle sleeve. So you can see they have our dimensions here. What they're going to have us do is to draw some geometry and do a revolve process. So we will go ahead and get started on that. Not open. How about we go new? Standard IPT, create. Start new sketch, XY plane. Let's start right here at the origin. I'm going to come down. This auto dimension 1.375. 1.375 divided by 2. We're going with the radius. And we're going to come over 4.469. Which is right there. And we have a thickness of 0.25. So we're going to come up 0.25. And we're going to come over, and we're going to let them introduce some math for us. So it's 4.469 minus, right here is 0.156. 0.156. Come back on up to the origin. The x-axis. All right, right click OK. But you see that there's a small hole of 0.1875 in there. Whenever they do their drawing over here, you see they have that small gap, so we're actually going to just trim that off. So I'm going to make a construction line. Go and dimension that. And we're going to make it 0.1875 divided by 2. Right click OK. I'm going to go ahead and trim. So the portions of that line that are above that, we're going to trim those off. We're going to turn off construction lines. We're going to come back. We're going to complete our line there. You notice we have some fillets. Let's go ahead and put those in. 5 radius. Okay, so we're looking good now. We're going to have to need an axis right through along this area. So we're going to put in another construction line. Here's going to be our construction line. We're going to revolve around there in just a moment. So we're going to finish our sketch. We're going to hit revolve. Select the area. Click over here for the axis. Select our axis. Click OK. We're going to look inside it, make sure everything looks good. Looks like the part has that small hole on one side. Has our fillets. I'm going to change our coloring real quick to black cast. Will probably look more like it. So we have our part. Everything looks good. We're going to go ahead and save it.
Okay, so basically this is pretty magic, right?
I don't get some of it.
You don't get it? No problem. Yeah, I will walk you through the whole thing. Let me get my mouse really quick. Okay, all right. So yes, I'm gonna show you all of these on Adventure. 2020, yes. The other one's a little bit too advanced. Yeah, so the 2021. Here we go. So basically, you know what a rubber handle sleeve is, right? Pretty sure you should, but like, if you don't know, it's one of those cylinder things that's just, it's really magic. So when you do it on this, so yeah. Here, I'll try to get the dimensions back out. I have it on my computer. It's a little bit unclear, but I think we can deal with that. All right, here. Can you guys see my inventor screen? All right, we're good.
Yes.
Click new. Okay, this one, and then click create.
Wait.
Just everything that's normal, okay? Like just how we did it before. It takes a while to load. Come on, computer. All right, 2D sketch again. This time we're going to go for the XY plane. It's the up and down one, okay?
What happens if we use a different plane?
Well, technically that'll be fine. But like, you know, if you use a different plane, your sleeve might just be in a weird view. That makes sense? So you might be viewing from the bottom when you should view from the top. Or like you might be viewing from the left when you should view from the right.
Oh,
If
So-
you use the same one
Weird
as
position.
oh, never mind.
Okay, so here are the dimensions. This picture is pretty unclear, but here we go. So basically, we're this little circle thing is 1.375 in length, right? But like the thing is, we need its radius, so we need to divide that by 2. Well, you might think, right? If I need to divide it by 2, how am I going to do it with my brain? You technically
you could just press divide. You could just do a slash. and then 2.
1.375 divided by 2. The computer does it for you. Oh my god, magic, right? And the length, I'm gonna share this one back.
So if you don't want to do math, you can make the computer do it for you.
Yeah, basically.
That's fun.
It is, it is. Alright, let me try to just share my whole screen then. This might be better. So you guys can see this picture right now, right?
Yeah.
You know, the length 4.469. Y'all see that?
Yeah.
Okay, alright. So basically I'm gonna go for this point right here after it turns green. I'm gonna drag it out 4.469. And it'll be pretty long. Right here, right? Okay, let's go back. I need to get up a little bit, but like not all the way up top, right? So how much should I go? Do you guys know? Should we watch the video again?
Do you go out 1.375?
No, you don't.
Oh.
You're not supposed to because like you don't need to.
Oh, okay.
You go up by 0.25. That is because here, am I sharing the picture? So
Yeah.
see, only this part we go up, right? This part right here, let me grab a pen, draw right here. Red is better. As you can see, this part right here, we only go up a little bit. We don't go up as much as this side, right? And you can see the this is 0.25 as it shows right here. So basically we're going up by 0.25. That makes sense?
Yeah.
So 0.25. We're going to drag it all the way to the left, right? But how do we know how much left do we need to go? Let me clear these. Erase it all. All right. How do we know how far left we should go? You see this part right here, it says 0.156. That's the thickness of this part right here, right? Basically, we need
So you minus the full length by
to go this way.
you
No.
minus the full length by the 1.25. No, 1.5.
0.156. Yes, you're right. So let me clear my drawing. Okay, here we go. So basically, we're going this way all the way left, right? Which is 4.469 minus, what is it? 0.135? Is it 0.135? It's 0.156. There we go. That's it, right? And we just go all the way back up top. And then back left. Pretty good, right? But what is not that good is if you see right here, we have a little hole right here, right?
Yes.
Right here. That means we can't go all the way up. We have to leave space for the hole. Which technically means we need a construction line. Construction line is this one, if you see right here. This little two lines that is like red and they make an angle. What it says is that a construction line is presented by a dotted line. That's a real line. There we go. Oh wait, no, that's a real line again. What did I do? Why did I not do the construction line? There we go. That's the construction line. So you see after this button turns blue, it became construction line, right? Want it to go right there? And you can see it's presented by a dashy dash line, right?
Yes.
You guys with me still? Okay, all right. But how do I know how much down I want it to go? Well, I don't quite want a full 0.1875, right? I only want half of it because I only need the radius. So what should I do? 0.1875 divided by 2. What is that? I'm wondering. My brain doesn't handle that, right? I'll just type it into the computer and let it do the work for me. So we click dimension. We select this line and the top line right here. That makes a dimension come out, right? And what we do is we edit this dimension. Ooh, I think I clicked the wrong one. Yeah, there we go, edit dimension. No, I still clicked the wrong one. This one is it. I think, no, it's not. I think we still do this. If I'm being right. Okay, what we do is we click edit dimension. There we go. So we click on it. And what is it again? I forgot already. It's 0.1875 divided by 2, right? You guys with me still?
Yes.
Yes.
Possibly.
That's up to here. Does it make sense up to here? Okay, I guess it makes sense. So we're gonna click on trim. We're gonna basically trim that line all the way down to here, right? Oh no, I clicked the wrong one. Oh wow, how bad. How bad is that? So we're gonna click trim And we're gonna take this part out. Right, so now we have this one. Now we can delete this line and connect this piece. Ooh, wrong line. Now we can delete that construction line and connect these two. Not a construction line again. Construction line goes off. Normal line gets back on, and then right there. Does that all make sense now? Up until now.
Yeah.
Yes.
Okay. Now we're gonna use a super crazy function. It's called smooth. How crazy is that? We're gonna click on smooth. Click on the two lines we wanted to smooth out. That one and that one. Wait, why am I not clicking on the right one? We're supposed to do smooth. Oh, I got it now. Alright, so we're gonna smooth out this line and that line. What? Am I doing it wrong or something? Let me go back to the video and see how that person did.
In there, whenever they 0.1, I'm gonna go
Yeah, I got that part already. Oh, okay, it's not smooth. Okay, I'm wrong again. Once again.
on this area. So we're gonna put in another
Hearing the
construction.
video still? Yeah, I didn't turn the video. Okay. So basically right here, what we're gonna do is we're gonna do a 2D fillet. Which is right here. You see right here? We want this line to basically curve in, right? And this line to
Wait, you press fillet?
yeah, you press fillet. You see?
Okay.
And then you click on the two lines you want it to curve in and press escape after you're done. So now we have our shape ready, right? Are you guys with me up until now?
Yeah.
Now click finish. And then go back to the home view. You have this shape, right? But how do I make a circle with it? Oh, before you're done, make sure you add an axis. Because if you don't add an axis, there's no way for the computer to know which line to turn around, right? The axis is a construction line again. Doesn't have to be long. Just normal length. And here we go. You guys with me up until now? We added the axis at the end. Okay?
Wait, how do we, wait,
Yeah.
wait, isn't that just a construction line?
Yeah, axis is it's a construction line. Yes, you're right.
Okay.
Okay, we're good. Now we click revolve, right? I'm gonna select an axis, which is this one right here. Ooh, look at that. How magic is that, right?
Wait, how did you do that?
You click revolve. Click revolve.
It looks like a can.
Select the right axis. So the axis will be this new construction line you just made, right?
Is that what we're going to do?
Yeah.
Or what?
We click this one, and look at that. Look at that. How nice is that? Click OK. And we're going to drag it around really quick. Look at that. We have a nice little hole back there. And when we move it around, there we go. That's a rubber handle sleeve done, right?
Doesn't the video have a big hole at the end?
Yeah, we do as well. You see? That's,
So the video is in Google Classroom, right?
yeah, the video is in Google Classroom. And if I want to look up a different color tone, can I do that? Probably, right? I can get the whole shape to be this color.
But why does it why does it have a different texture?
Well, because you
Oh,
can basically make it whatever texture you want. Look at that gold.
what do you press?
One,
What do you
three.
press? Oh,
So-
it's on the top.
This thing up here, you see?
Okay.
For the homework, is it okay if we do like any color?
With the homework, is it okay you do any color?
Yes.
That's fine. I mean, I don't mind about colors at all. So there we go. We're done. So I want you guys to take about 10 minutes and go try this on your own. I'm going to open a slot in Google Classroom for this where you submit your picture.
Does it have to be the rubber casing, or does it have to be the, or does it?
It's rubber case.
Okay.
Oh, and Happy New Year, everyone. It's 2021.
Happy New Year.
All right.
Oh, okay, yeah, totally. I've seen like all those. I've seen a bunch of stuff where like they have this 2020 where the last zero is a COVID-19, and then this random guy comes in and one comes in and puts a vaccine in the coronavirus and takes the place. And yeah, I hope that.
Yeah, so I created an assignment in Google Classroom. You guys can go ahead and do it right now. So basically what it is you make the rubber handle sleeve, right? And after you're done, you take a picture of it and submit it in a Google Classroom. That easy enough? Okay, all right, we are good. All right, let me see who did submit their previous assignment. I'm gonna basically go to the breakout room with them and then talk about that. All right, breakout rooms.
Hold up, why breakout rooms?
Oh, I was just wondering if any of y'all didn't complete the homework. Because I don't want to talk about that out here, like out loud. So I'll just, yeah.
The dimensions aren't very clear. When I try opening the video, it says that I can't see it, so I can't see. I don't know the dimensions. You're muted.
You're muted, man.
Okay, yeah. So I said that I'll just send a picture in the chat, if that works. Can you guys hear me now?
We can.
Here we go. I sent a picture in the chat. That has the like all the numbers in there, but it might not be that clear either. But like, it's definitely better. It's getting hot. 1 second. Let me take off my jacket real quick. Getting pretty hot in here.
Wait, how long is it?
What do you mean? What do you mean by how long is it?
What is the bottom number?
Let me check. Bottom number is come on, computer. Load. My computer's not loading. 1 second. $4.469.
Is the radius 1.875?
Of which one? The small circle or the big circle? Like the small hole,
Big circle.
like big overall thing.
The big circle.
Wait, here, let me share my screen with you. Which one are you talking about? You can just draw the thing on my screen if that makes you better. This part is this one divided by 2. Oh wait, no, it's not. It's not. Never mind. I was wrong. You're talking about like this one down or like this one or I mean not across, sorry. Are you talking about this one or this one? Because we don't do this part. We want to leave it open like this. Right there. We're going to leave it open right here. So let me undo it. There we go, if that makes you better.
Okay.
I'm going to just leave that thing on my computer. Should have everything in there, so should be good to go. Is that pretty clear now? Oh yeah, and I also need this dimension of this part right here.
Wait, is 6.688 like 0.688 is
Yeah.
0.688 all the way from the very top?
Yeah, it's from the origin all the way down.
Oh, okay.
I've been trying it, but I just don't really get it.
What your screen with me, Brighton?
Okay.
I have a question.
Yes, Ian.
Instead of like making the hole when you first draw it, could you make it like with the hole without the hole in the back, and then use the hole tool to make
Just
the hole?
No,
Or
like just redig it? Yeah, that's fine.
oh, okay.
Hey Triton, did you share your screen? Thought you had a question.
Yeah.
Want to share it up here? All right, go to 2D sketch, click on it. Yep. Select the XY plane. No, not XZ plane, XY plane. I thought I said that, but yeah. Yep. There we go. No, that's XZ plane. XY plane is the other one in there. Yeah, that one. No, we don't use a circle. We do a line. Wait, are you doing this rubber handle sleeve? Hey, Triton, can you hear me?
Oh, whoops, I'm muted. I wanted to do the one on like what you just did.
What I just did?
Yeah.
Okay, alright, yeah, I want to walk you through it again. If you don't mind, and I'll just reshare my screen to you. I'm gonna
Okay.
walk through again. And this is to all of you out there if you have questions, okay? I'm gonna walk you through this again. Let me just delete everything I just did. Of course, always. Just delete everything. Finish sketch. I can't select it all. Oh no. What did I do? Right there, that's better. I'm gonna just go for a new one. Alright, try to now this time watch carefully, okay? First of all, line, right? We need to go from here on down. And what would the length be? Let me check.
0.688.
0.688. Okay, alright. So it will be 0.688, okay? Click enter. There goes our first line, right? Now, this one I think is 4.469, if I'm right.
Wait a second.
Yeah, that's 4.469. I think I got it. And then we go up by 0.25. Left.
I'm not done at the first thing.
Oh, you're not done. Okay, yeah, I'll wait for you. No problem. No problem at all. Like I got.
Oh yeah, by the way, how do you delete lines? Like I don't know. Yeah,
How do you do the lines?
yeah, delete them.
Oh, delete lines. Just right click on it. So basically, hang your mouse over it after it turns green. Right.
Oh,
Just select delete.
okay. Just it's not delete button.
Did you guys hear?
There you go, delete. Okay.
Okay, all right. Now we go from here on out. Make sure it's 180 degrees. 4.469 minus 0.1875. Wait, is it? Oh no, it's 0.156. Click enter. There we go, right? And we just go all the way back up and then back left. That's the first draft we do, right? That makes sense. Did you get here all the way?
I'll screenshot it and then I can probably get it.
Nope, still?
I'll screenshot it because I'm probably way too slow. Yeah, you can continue.
Problem, yes.
You can continue. I just took a screenshot of it.
You can screenshot it. I mean, you can just follow me if you want. We have a bit of time left still.
It's okay.
Okay, all right. Now what we do is we do a construction line. This is really important. Click on this. I just can't click on this.
Why is my stepmom so obsessed with that zucchini?
So here we go. We do a construction line.
And your comment will be in the next video. Type it, type it, type it.
Oh, who's that? You see how this is a dashy line right here? And we're gonna try to dimension it. How much would it be? I have no idea, but I can do math. 0.1875 divided by 2. There we go. Does that make sense up until now? Because we want to make the hole in the middle, so we kind of need to just dig these two parts out. So now we click trim, and then we just trim these two parts out. You see? Now
What do you do when you're done?
Isabella, if you're done, I posted the homework in Google Classroom. That's optional because it's really hard. If you want to, you can give it a try. If you don't, no big deal. Next Monday, we'll go for the project, the final project. All right, yeah, if you're done, Happy New Year. You're going to leave. Have a great weekend. I'll see you Monday.
Thank you. Bye.
Bye. Happy New Year.
All right, Happy New Year. Bye.
Bye.
All right, Triton, you're here with me still? Okay, we're good. So now we just connect these two lines together, right?
Wait, how much do you go up by?
This part is 0.25, and the whole thing is 0.68. 0.688.
Okay.
You can see it on my screen. It's pretty clear, I think. Is it? And Triton, are you with me up until now?
Yeah.
We're going to fill it. You see fill it up here? We're going to do a 2D fillet, 0.125 inches. And we're going to click these two, left and bottom line. Oh, no. I don't want the dashy line anymore. Oh, no. I messed up so big. All right, we're going to cancel the construction line. And then we're going to make the actual line connect these two parts right here. Then we're going to do fillet for these two. And then bottom and right. Does it make sense up until now? Please tell me it does. Or I can redo it for you anytime if you want. Just tell me which part is not making sense. Triton, you there?
Yeah.
Does that make sense?
Yes.
Okay, so now we just click finish. And then we click on the home view cube right there. Or the home view.
Okay.
Right there. And we click revolve. You see revolve up here? Click on the, oh, I forgot the big thing again, like as I did the first time I did it. All right, here we go. So we go back to the sketch, right? We
Yeah.
construction line as our axis. Because we need to make sure that this handle knows which line to revolve around, right?
Oh yeah. Also, can you send me the YouTube video of it?
Google Classroom.
Okay, that's nice.
Revolve, we click on this and it says select axis, right? I'm gonna select this one. There we go, we're done. Click OK. That makes sense up until now. Are we good on this?
Wait, can you go back to the 2D sketch?
3D sketch? Sure, right here. What do you want?
I just want to see like where the okay 0.94. So I wanted to see the construction line.
0.94. And Richard, make sure you have this construction line up here. That's along the x-axis.
That makes sense.
Okay, all right, Richard, did all these make sense to you?
Yes. Okay, made the construction line.
Yeah, that's along the x-axis.
Okay, then now how do I? Then okay, I made the construction line.
Yeah, we click finish right here. We click finish. Finish sketch. Oh, wait. Before you do that, make sure that you fillet the two sides. So you see this curvy side right here? You click
I
this.
think I did that already.
Did you? No, your sides look. Oh, okay, yeah, I see what you did. But you need to do this side as well. You see this side right here, bottom and right. That looks pretty square still. If you're done, you click finish. Right here, this little green check mark you see. You click on it and click revolve and select this axis. Well, it's a construction line you just made. And then after you see this thing, click OK and we're done.
Wait, I don't wait. My thing is my thing is still touching the x-axis. It's still touching the line. I made the construction line. Can you go back to 2D sketch?
Yeah, sure, right here.
Can I annotate?
Yeah, sure. Oh, you're supposed to trim it. You see trim right here? You need to click trim and click on like these two sides that were like right there. Just trim them.
Wait, when I press trim, it just says to trim the whole. It just says it trims. It looks like it trims the whole lot.
Trims the whole thing off. Here, why don't you share
Not
screen?
started yet.
I might help. I might be able to help that way.
Oh wait, oh wait, it works now. It works now. It works now. Wait, then how do I draw the construction line as the axis? How do I draw the axis?
So basically, click on line. Click on this construction button you see right here.
Yes.
So
Wait.
after your dot turns screen on the x-axis, just drag it out. Any length will be fine, right? You click, and you see this line becomes dashy right here.
Yes.
That's your line made, so you got it already.
Okay, and then I just press finish 2D sketch, and then I press trim, right? Trim, right?
Trim? No, you press revolve.
Oh, right, so but I first have to finish 2D sketch, right?
Finish sketch, and then click revolve. Right here, and select your axis you just made, which is that line along the x-axis. Click on that, and then you'll see this screen. That makes sense?
Okay, I got it.
Perfect. Triton, did that all make sense to you?
Okay, I'm done.
All right, perfect. Yes, you're good to leave. Have a happy New Year.
Bye.
I'll see you on Monday. Bye. Triton, did that all make sense to you?
Yes.
Okay, all right, yeah. So if you have any more questions, just ask your mom to contact me, and I'll have to leave. Bye.
Bye. Thanks.
No problem. Bye.